Imagine you have just one crisp £10 note in your pocket, fresh from the cash machine, its edges still sharp and full of possibility. It doesn't seem like much, maybe enough for a bit of cheese from the market, or a ticket to a local event, perhaps even a quick coffee with a friend. It's easy to spend without a second thought. But what if you could turn that tenner into something more? What if, instead of spending it straight away, you could use it as a stepping stone to something bigger? Welcome to the world of trading, where small beginnings can lead to surprising outcomes. Many people think trading is just luck, like pulling a lever at the fun fair or spinning a slot machine, hoping for a jackpot. But real trading is about having a plan, making smart choices, and learning from every move you make. It's about strategy, not just chance. So here's our challenge. Can we use skill, not luck, to grow that tenner, even just a little? Can we make thoughtful decisions and see where they take us? This journey is for anyone who's ever wondered, what if? For the curious, the careful, and those who love a good experiment. We'll break down trading into simple, easy-to-follow steps. No confusing jargon, no complicated charts, just clear guidance and a bit of fun along the way. Grab your tenner, bring your curiosity, and let's see if we can make it fly, maybe even further than you ever imagined. It's going to be a grand day out, full of discovery and possibility. Let's get down to basics. Trading is simply buying and selling, like a giant market, but with shares or currencies instead of fruit and veg. Some say it's all luck, like flipping a coin. Others believe skill matters, studying, planning, and spotting patterns. The skillful trader treats the market like a puzzle, not a lottery. You can learn the rules, study the board, and make clever moves. It's about making educated decisions, not wild guesses. The path of skill is slower, but far more rewarding. Which will you choose for your tenner? Ready to be a clever inventor with your tenner? Imagine you're building your own quirky machine for trading, one that doesn't need fancy gears or blinking lights, just a bit of brainpower and a dash of curiosity. You don't need high-tech gadgets, just smart, practical strategies that anyone can use. The best traders rely on their wits, not on expensive equipment. First up, trend following. Take a close look at the price. Are things generally moving up or sliding down? If you spot a clear direction, try to go with the flow, like a surfer riding a wave. Next, support and resistance. Picture prices bouncing between a sturdy floor and a solid ceiling. These are the invisible boundaries where prices often pause or reverse. The trick: buy near the floor, where prices tend to bounce up, and sell near the ceiling, where they often turn back down. For example, if Cracking Cups Limited always bounces back at £1, that's your support. Buy there and watch for the rebound. It's like knowing where the trampoline is. These aren't wild guesses. They're simple, logical plans you can follow again and again. Having a method gives you an edge. No strategy works every single time, but having a plan is always better than making random bets or leaving things to chance. Strategies help you stay calm, focused, and make decisions with purpose, even when the market gets bumpy or unpredictable. With a plan, you're in the driver's seat, steering your trades instead of just being a passenger. That's the heart of skilled trading, using clever strategies, staying cool, and always having a plan to guide you. Even the best plans can go wrong. The biggest mistake? Risking your whole tenner on one trade. Lose it all and your adventure ends before it starts. Another trap: revenge trading, chasing losses with rash decisions. Smart traders accept losses, stay calm, and wait for the next good opportunity. Use a stop loss, decide in advance how much you're willing to lose, and set an automatic exit. Risk only a tiny bit each time. The goal isn't to get rich, it's to keep learning and stay in the game. Survive to trade another day. So, can you really profit with just skill and a tenner? It's a question that tempts many beginners. Can you outsmart the market with only a small stake and a sharp mind? The idea is both exciting and a little daunting. The truth is, it's tough. You won't get rich overnight, and you might even lose your tenner. But that's not really the point of starting small. The real value is in learning, practicing strategies, managing risk, and building confidence with every trade. Each attempt teaches you something new about the market and yourself. Luck might win once, but skill is repeatable and grows stronger with practice. Over time, you'll see the difference between gambling and calculated moves. Trading with a tenner is a low-risk way to build experience, test your nerves, and see how you handle real money on the line. You'll discover if you have the patience and discipline for the job, qualities that matter far more than luck or a big bankroll. With skill, even a small profit is a big victory because it means you're improving and making smarter decisions. More importantly, you'll become a smarter, more careful thinker, someone who values learning over quick wins. And that's worth far more than a tenner. In the end, the lessons you gain are the real profit.